I'm Shane Sauvier, the Casting and Process Engineering Manager here at Melling. Welcome to one of North America's most innovative sand foundries. What sets our sand casting process apart is a lot of that front-end work that we do in the engineering department.
We like to get in with the customers right at the very beginning and work with them from design for manufacturability right out of the gate. Be able to partner with them and truly understand their goals, their functions, of what they're trying to achieve with this casting, and help on the castability side show them what we can do to help make the best quality. And engineers are going to be touching it from the very beginning all the way to the end.
So to start the process, right, the engineering department's going to get a model. A lot of times those models aren't necessarily castable or manufacturable, so we're going to work with our customers to assure that their needs for form, fit, and function are met, and that we're also going to incorporate any design for manufacturability improvements or enhancements that might benefit the casting from a porosity standpoint, shrinkage, performance, as it's going to solidify, and make sure that we optimize that design for not only their process and needs, but ours as well.
So our competitive advantage when it comes to sand casting is really truly making some castings that not a lot of people in this world can make. Very complex, thin-walled, heavily cored castings are really our bread and butter. We've cut our teeth there for decades at this point. Some of the technology that we use in-house, we've partnered with Sinto Manufacturing, and we have one of their machines. It's the third in the world, first of its kind here in North America, and the aeration technology that's used within that machine helps us get some incredibly good surface finish on the sand castings that we do make.
That machine lets us capture more complicated geometry that other machines would maybe struggle with. We've got a deep draw, like a large casting that's got big offsets and tight pockets. That machine's going to do a better job at completing those in a green sand molding process versus another machine that might be a side blow. That machine alone sets us apart from the competition.
The Behringer grinders were our first step into the automation field, if you will. That's how we really learned how to develop fixturing and finish a part automatically. From there, we have taken that concept and expanded it tenfold into full-fledged robotic automated cells. We have two Robert Sinto 455 Behringer grinders in our sand foundry. A lot of our sand products go through those auto grinders. They have a 16-inch PCD wheel that can be used for heavy gating removal and flash removal so that we can finish our castings in a repeatable and efficient manner.
Ultimately, you're going to choose Melling if you're looking for a supplier of sound quality castings. We make product for all sorts of customers, all sorts of industries, so process versatility is incredibly important. Something that may work for one individual casting may be completely different for a different set of circumstances, whether that be customer, part number, whatever that might be. So we have to have ability to be flexible, to be modular, to be able to change over on an instant. The experience that we have being able to do that has really opened our avenues for solving the solutions that are needed for the customer. The technology that we use to make these sand castings and the amount of engineering effort that goes into everything from the very front end of that casting all the way to it's delivered to your door is parallel to nobody else out there. That's what sets us apart.
Thank you for your interest in Melling. Fill out the contact form on our website or give us a call to truly experience what it's like to be part of the Melling family.